Let's start. Today we will see how to implement the height and width properties in the CSS. In the body tag, we have a div tag with some text in it. In the style tag, we define the CSS properties for the div tag. Here we have defined the height and width of the div tag as auto. In the auto mode, the browser decides the height and width of the component. Let's run this code in the browser. As you can see, the browser has defined the height and width of the div tag in the auto mode. Now, let's change the height and width in pixels. Let's run this code again. As you can see, the div is 100 pixels wide and 100 pixels long. Now, let's change the width in percentage terms. This percentage is in terms of the browser window's width. So when I set the width to 50%, this means 50% of the browser window width. Let's run this code. As you can see, the div tag has a width equivalent to 50% of the browser window width. Now let's change the width to 1000 pixels. If I run this code now, and then try to reduce the browser screen size, the width of the div tag will overflow the browser window, so the browser will show us a scroll bar so that we can reach the end of the div tag. To avoid this thing, and to make the big long UI components adjust with the browser resize event, we will use the max width attribute. I have set the max width attribute to 1000 pixels. Now if I run this code, and try to reduce the browser width, the div tag size will adjust along with it, without any need for the scroll bar. So that's it. That's how you can implement height and width properties in CSS. Thank you.